Are you wanting to travel, either for a vacation or other events? Jamaica Customized Vacation and Tours is proud to open our arms and hearts to welcome and serve you. We are an exclusive provider of ground transportation, offering private transfers to any destination within the island. We offer vacation package deals, guided tours, water sports, excursion, and day trips at affordable rates. At Jamaica Customized Vacation and Tours, there are lots of benefits to getting like services that guarantee efficiency and effectiveness. We have a referral program where anyone, especially travel agents, can sign up to get a 10% commission on each referral booking. It's easy to join. All you have to do is create an account with us with this link, jcvtt.com/refer-signup. Log into your account. Under Referral Program, select Referral to sign up and request approval. After you've received the approval, under Referral Program, select Affiliate Marketing Tools. Scroll down to Referral Link Generator instructions. Open the website in a new browser. Navigate to the product you'd like to refer. Copy the product URL from your browser's address bar. Paste the product URL link into the text box directly below. Click the Transform button. Copy the generated URL link. Voila! You're all done. Be part of our happy customers. Let JCVT customize your travel and vacation needs today. Visit www.jcvtt.com for more info.